Sample racks can be removed once the Panther has finished pipetting all the test orders for the sample and/or calibrators in the rack, as indicated by a blue color. If you so wish, you do not have to wait until results are released to remove a sample rack. A rack that has finished pipetting will have its LED lane turned off on the sample bay. Never remove a rack when its LED lane is red, as it is currently in the pipetting process. Open the sample bay door and slide the corresponding sample rack out of the sample bay. If desired, a new rack can immediately be loaded for continuous sample processing. Use the sample rack tray to stabilize your sample racks. Remove the calibrators. Calibrators are single-use and must be discarded in a biohazard bin. Keep the sample tubes as per laboratory policies. Do not forget to change your gloves after handling samples and calibrators.